Well, ladies and gentlemen, it is almost 7 a.m. here in East Coast. Today is the 23rd of June. We're looking at the Dow. As you can see, the Dow is inching up. It's almost 1% up. And we are certain that it's going to fill the spot right here. And then if you can break through, we're going to retest the high of March. And so if you're trading the Dow today, you're supposed to look upward. We expect it to climb each inch here and touch this side of Dow, probably a day or 2 or 3. We should get this side covered. There were a couple of news that came out last night. I'm supposing that's why you see the Dow going up after pulling backwards a couple of days ago. So if you're trading today and trading the Dow, make sure you are on the long side because we're expecting to go up today. Happy trading day. Trade safe. Hope helps. I'll see you next time.